Hi everybody, this is an example of our 90-page 4everBound book. It's also known as the Chronicle size book. This is white with gold foil with our standard print on the cover and the optional printing on the spine of the book. And this is just to give you an idea of everything that you're able to fit. This also comes with a personalized title page. And so here is all the different kinds of artwork and doodles, and here's a racing bib and a piece of artwork that she drew that we mounted onto the back of a page. And we have all of her different types of artwork that she did in first grade. Also, one of the reasons why our books are so much better and different than a photo book is it is the original. So there's certain things that you can't do with a photo, and that is, of course, flip through these tiny little books that she made. Or perhaps this long thing that she made with her name. We are able to bind the original. So if you have originals that you would like saved in a book, we would be happy to take those from you, send them to us in one of our kits, and we will send you back a beautiful book like this one.